Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be going over the new February PNG insert, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so here we have the new February 2022 PNG insert. We have up to $94 in savings inside. Now y'all know I don't get the Tide or Downing coupons in my area anymore, but if you still have those in your area, your savings will be even more. So this insert will come out in the Sunday newspapers, and while we're flipping through this, I want y'all to be thinking about digital coupons as well, because typically we get the same digital coupons that come out in the insert. They may be a little bit different in their value, but typically they're pretty similar, okay? Now, also, you guys know we have the Dollar General clearance event going on starting tomorrow, Saturday morning, so I'm going to be up bright and early getting in on those deals. So if y'all miss any of those videos, I'm going to leave those linked down in the pinned comment below. I did manage to put out 3 videos, and I did get through the entire list. So if you guys are looking for visuals, digital coupon matchups, we have a ton of freebies. We have insert coupon matchups, you name it. Now also, I have since found a couple more coupon matchups that I'm going to be posting in the community tab. So while you guys are out and about today, keep checking back. Check my community tab to see if I've posted anything else, because if I'm out and I find something, I want to let y'all know about it, all right? So, also, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. As always, I'll be choosing 2 winners to receive 2 of these new PNG inserts, so make sure that you stay tuned until the end to find out how to win. All right. So let's go ahead and flip through here. We have Pantene 5 off 3. Now, I am not remembering right off the top of my head any Pantene products that were included on the list, but that does not mean that there won't be Pantene products at your store. So keep an eye out in your clearance section for Pantene products. I know during the last clearance event, I think was back in October, we had Pantene products, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, it was on the Pantene Miracle Rescue, and then maybe some shampoos. So I think it was definitely different packaging, but keep your eye out for that. That may be a good deal on Sunday. We have a 1 off 1 for the Pantene products. We have 5 off 2 for the Pantene Nutrients. We have Olay coupons, 2 off 1 for the Olay Facial Moisturizer, 2 off 1 for the Olay Eyes, 2 off 1 for the Olay Facial Skincare product, and 3 off 1 for the Dermageek Facial Moisturizer or serums. All right, Creston Oral-B. Now, I do remember seeing Creston Oral-B products in the clearance list. Guys, there was so much on that list. It was kind of hard to keep up with. I'm actually going to sit down and make me out some notes of things that I'm going to be looking for specifically once I get done with this video, because there was just so much included in this clearance event. This is probably one of the bigger ones that we've had. And I found a store that was very, very well stocked up, so I should have a really good haul video coming too. So we have 1 off 1 for the Crest toothpaste. There was Crest toothpaste included in this clearance event. We have Crest Pro Health, which is pictured right there. So we also have Fix-It on that clearance list. We've got a 1 off 1 coupon there. We have 1 off 1 for the twin pack. We have 2 off 1 for the Burt's Bees toothpaste. We also had some Crest mouthwash, 1 off 1 for the Crest Oral-B mouthwash. We have 2 off 2 for the Oral-B replacement brush heads, 2 off 1 for the Oral-B adult or kids battery toothbrushes. Let's see here, and you guys keep in mind tomorrow when y'all are watching this video to go into your Dollar General apps and click on your coupons and go into the ones that are expiring. It'll pull all of the ones up to the top that are expiring. We have some really good coupons that are going to be expiring tomorrow. So we have buy one get one on the Microban sprays. We have the 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste. We have that Puffs tissue glitch. all kinds of good coupons that do expire. So if you want to get in on those deals, make sure that you use those coupons up tomorrow or on Saturday. Sorry, I keep forgetting that I'm going to be posting this in the morning. So Saturday, a lot of coupons will be expiring. So we have 3 off 2 for the Head and Shoulders. We have 1 off 1 for the Always Discreet. We have 4 off 2 for the Herbal Essences. We have 1 off 1 for the Always. And I think we had some Always included in the clearance list, if I'm not mistaken. We 1 off 1 for the Tampaks. Here's this page that wants to be difficult. All right, so we have Febreze. Buy one, get one Febreze. Now, we do have that digital coupon right now for 3 off 2. So, if you use that, you're probably going to get a new Febreze coupon on your account on Sunday. And this one is for buy one Febreze Unstoppables Heavy Duty Ocean, Forest, or Wood product. And get one for free. It's up to $4 in value. Now, if you guys remember, in one of those 3 videos, we went over air care products, and included in this clearance event are these little ocean refills. It doesn't have the plug-in, it's just the refill itself, and there is ocean, wood, and forest included in this clearance event, so be on the lookout for those. I did see some of those on my shelf. I went and scoped out my last store this evening, and they had some actually still on the shelf in the regular spot, not even in the clearance section. So keep your eyes peeled, guys. Next up, 2 off 1 for the Febreze plugins. I think these are $3 at DG, so that's going to be a really good coupon to use. We have a little ad here for the Super Bowl coming to Los Angeles. We have 2 off 1 for the Metamucil, 1 off 1 for the Prilosec, 2 off 1 for the Align, $175 off for the Stress Balls, $250 off 1 Nervive, 2 off 1 for the Vicks. I'm pretty sure that a lot of the Vicks Dayquil and NyQuil products pennied out a while back, and you guys be on the lookout for pennies, because I am telling you what, I do not leave a clearance event without finding penny items. So, but you never know. Keep your eyes peeled, and if you find some Vicks and Dayquil for a penny, that would mean some overage, all right? We have 1 off 1 for the Vicks Vapo product. Also, a good one to keep your eye out for, okay? I think I saw some cough drops actually in my clearance section. All right, we have 1 off 1 for the Dawn Power Wash, 1 off 1 for the Cascade Action Packs, 1 off 1 for the Cascade Rinse Aid, and 50 cents off for the Action Packs. Over here, we have 1 off 1 for the Swiffer products. We do have a couple of Swiffer products included in this clearance event. We have Microban 2 off 1 for the multi-purpose sprayer bathroom cleaner, and 2 off 1 for the sanitizing sprays. All right, moving on. Here we have Tide. I no longer get those in my area. So we have 2 off 1 for the larger size Tide, and then 1 off 1 for the smaller size. Downy and Bounce products, 2 off 1 for the larger ones, 1 off 1 for the smaller ones. And we do have those Downy Defy beads and the 1 off, what was they? I think they were Tide Unstoppables scent boosters, so that would work with the 1 off 1. And then we have 2 off 1 for the Drift. Moving right along here. I'm running out of space on my phone, so I've got to hurry. We have 25 cents off for the Bounty and Charmin. We have 25 cents off for Puffs and 25 cents off for Charmin flushable wipes. Over here, guys, I ran into Walmart the other day, and they have these on clearance right now. I think they were $10 if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to post that in the community tab, that coupon matchup, so be on the lookout for that. 5 off 1. So hopefully they will still have some in stock. We have 3 off 1 for the Gillette razor. We have that rebate deal down there. Almost to the end, guys. We have 5 off 3 for the Old Spice. Antiperspirants, deodorants, body washes. There was at least one Old Spice product that I remember seeing in the clearance event. We have 1 off 1 for the Olay body wash, soaps, all that good stuff. Over here we have 1 off 2 for the Secret deodorants, 2 off 1 for the Secret Clinical Antiperspirant, and we have 1 off 2 for the Gillette deodorants. And that is it for our February 2022 P&G insert. So now I'm going to tell y'all how to enter to win. So I'll see you in just a second. Alright guys, so if you want to be entered to win some P&G inserts, all you have to do is make sure that you are subscribed. Turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the next video. Also, I want you to leave me a comment underneath 2 videos. And also, please hit that share button and share this video with somebody that you know, or you can just hit the share button and send it to yourself in a text message or an email. Either way, as long as you're smashing that share button and you are sharing this video out in some form or fashion, it really does help me out. It tells the YouTubes that, hey, this video is worth watching. So you'll need to push it out there into the YouTube world a little bit further. So if you guys could do those 4 simple things for me, I would really appreciate it. And so leave me a comment underneath this video, and then once you're done here, I want y'all to go back and check out my Dollar General Clearance Event List Part 3 video, and leave me a comment underneath there as well. Also, please give both videos a big thumbs up. It is a free way that you can show your support for this channel. If you're planning on checking out the Dollar General clearance event this weekend, let me know in your comment. What is your favorite thing so far that you're looking forward to finding in this clearance event? Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I wish each and every one of you guys good luck with the giveaway. And if you are going to go out and shop this DG clearance event, I wish each and every one of y'all good luck with your deals as well. I hope you guys get out there and save a ton of money. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a fantastic day, and I will see you on the next one.